Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a poem. What a Bird Thought. Let us do these activities before we read. Look at the picture and discuss what you see in the picture with your teachers and classmates. Think of a time when you work hard. What did you do then? I was weak at my studies. I worked hard. How did it help you? I got better results. How did it make you feel? I was delighted. Also discuss in group. What are the places you see birds? What do you see the birds doing? I see birds in gardens, park, on tall buildings, trees, etc. They chirp, collect food grains, catches earthworm, collect twigs and straw. Do you want to fly like a bird? Why? Yes, I want to explore the world. Number 4. What does a baby bird think about its world? First, it was round and blue cell. Second, it was nest and made by her mother. Third, it was made of leaves. Fourth, it is used and she has no idea. 5. Read the sentences and replace the underlined words with their correct meanings. Sentence meaning. The color of the feather was not dark but pale. Pale means light. Butterfly moved lightly and quickly on the flower, fluttered. Finally, I finished my bird painting after trying many times. At last, the pretty flowers were the prize for the gardener's hard work, labor. Now, the poem. The poem expresses the feeling of a little baby bird who lived in the little house and was very happy. She thought that her house was round and of pale color and blue cell. She was satisfied in the little nest and needed no one else with her. Then she thought that the world was made of straw, all made by her mother. Later, the little bird flew from her nest to see what she could find. Then she told herself that the world is made of green leaves, which she found on the tree, and felt that she had been wrong in her thoughts about nest and the world before her. Later in the last stanza, the bird flew far away from the tree, just like a grown up hard-working bird. Now she realized that she did not still know how the world was made. Neither did her neighbors know about it. First stanza, I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. I thought the world was small and round and made of pale blue cell. इस कविता में एक छोटी चिड़िया अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त कर रही है। वह छोटे से घर में रहती है और बहुत खुश है। उसने सोचा कि उसका घर गोल, हल्के रंग और नीली सीप की बनी हुई है। I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and nestled by my mother. In the second stanza, we come to know that now the bird came out from little cell and started living in little nest. She did not need any other help. So she thought that the world was made of straw and it was well protected. That is, it was made by her mother. One day I fluttered from my nest to see what I could find. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Now the baby bird started jumping from one branch to another. It came out from its nest and she started finding. She came to know that the world is made of leaves and she was very foolish. She had no idea about, and she tells that the previous ideas were wrong. And at length I flew beyond the tree, quite fit for grown up laborers. I don't know how the world is made, and neither do my neighbors. At last, the bird started flying beyond the tree, and she was very fit, grown up to work hard. Now she come to know about the world, and she has no idea how the world was made. Neither did her neighbors knew about it. Now, question answers. Let us discuss. Read the poem again. Identify the main idea of each stanza. There are two extra given. The bird steps out into the world. It is ready to discover the world. The bird lived happily in a small world. She is comfortable in nest. The bird becomes blind due to leaves. She is limited to tree only. The bird flies away as an adult. The bird flies away as an adult. She is grown up to explore. The bird is unhappy with straw nest. Bird is unhappy. The bird lived in a cozy nest with its mother. The bird is comfortable with her mother. Look at the pictures from A to D and write the matching line from the poem for each. A round nest in cell, nestled by mother, blind by leaves, step out into the world. 3. Answer the following with a word from the poem and check the answers with your partner. A. What was the shape of the bird's first house? Round. What was the bird's second nest? Made of straw. What did the bird see when it came out of its nest? Leaves. What did the bird do at the end? Flew. 4. Now recite the poem along with teacher and classmates. Do it yourself. Let us think and reflect. Write whether the following sentences are true or false. A. The bird changed its house 2 times. True. The neighbors tell the bird about the world. False. 2. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the questions given below. A. I thought the world was made of straw and nestled by my mother. 1. Who lived in the nest along with the baby bird? Mother bird. To complete the following by choosing the correct option. The bird thought that the world was made of straw because its nest was made of straw. Which word tells us that the baby bird was warm and comfortable, nestled by the mother? B. Say the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. A. Why did the bird think the world was made of leaves? Because it saw leaves all round her. What does the set of words I said means? The bird spoke. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentence. The bird felt that it had been very blind because it could not see the leaves from inside the nest. What did the baby bird think that the first world was small and round and blue? The baby bird was in cell which was small, round and blue. What did the bird where did the bird go when it fluttered from its straw nest? It flew into the world to discover things about the world herself. By what quality did the bird say it had when it flew away? The bird had grown up and had all the energy of an adult when it flew away. 6. Who do you think were the bird's neighbors? Why do you think so? All the creatures around her were her neighbors. The birds had to live in the company forever, so they were her neighbors. Now, let us write some rhyming words. One has been done for you. Well, sell, fell. Other, mother, father. Find, blind, mind. Neighbor, labor, barber. Now, complete a new stanza with rhyming words. I fly high and I fly low. But one thing I surely know, whenever I wish to rest, my little nest is the best.